Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, today I want to review the code for my game. This is the project from Aiden Boarding School Sento. So, this is the first sprite. This is the costume. Now let's review the costume first. This is sprite 1. This is the second sprite for the home background. This is the third sprite for the title. The fourth sprite for the play button. The fifth sprite for the background for the pick your character. This is the character sprite, Dimas and Dewi. This is the back button sprite costume. This is the next button. This is the home button. This is the slide, and this is the slide for boys, and this is the slide for girls. Now let's review the code for sprite 1. When the flag is clicked, this flag, go to X0 and Y0, so it can be in the middle of the screen, and then set size to 0, so it can be small. Start sound stutter. This is the sound. So when it's like intro, repeat 10 and change size by 10 because starts from small to big, and wait 3 seconds. Wait 3 seconds and then become small again. How? Repeat 10, change size by -10, and then broadcast start and then hide. Broadcast start, it will broadcast, and another sprite will receive the broadcast, the message. So, and then after that, after broadcasting the start, it will hide. Like this. This was one, wait with it. Repeat, and then wait to scan, and repeat it. And let's go to the second sprite. When this is clicked, the flag click, it will hide. So when this intro, this will not be showed. When I receive play, hide. When I receive play, hide. This is for the other sprite to be shown, and then this hide because we doesn't need it anymore. When I receive play, when I receive demos, and when I receive Dewi, hide. When I receive the message, okay? When I receive the message start, go to X0 and Y0. So it can be in the middle, show, and set size to 0, and then repeat 10. Change size by 10. Set size to show, it will show, and then set size to 0. It will become small, and then repeat 10, change size by 10. It will be more bigger, like this. The previous one. This. Look again. Yes, like this. So it will be like an intro for the creator and for the home background. And let's next the third sprite. When I receive play, this broadcast play. So when I receive play, it will not now doesn't need it anymore. Hide. When I receive start, when I receive start, go to X0 and Y50. So this is X and Y50. Because X0 it will be in the middle, and Y50 it will in the middle but more up. And then show, set size to 0, and then repeat 10, change size by 10. So it will be like this one and this one. It will be the intro for this sprite. It will be like from small to big, and forever. Forever is like forever, so it will not be stop by anything except stop all. This, and then glide 1 second to X0 and y40. So it will move down, and then wait 0.01 seconds, and then glide 1 seconds to x, y, and y50. So it can go up again like this. Look, this is glide. This is this code. So this y40 and y50, y40 and y50, y40 and y50. Okay, let's move to the fourth sprite. This fourth sprite, when the flag click hide. When I receive start, hide first, and then set size to 0. Show, go to front layer, so it will be on the front. Set size to 0, so it can be small. Repeat 10. Change size by 15 because this is 100. This one is 100. And I forgot to change. Wait. Yes. And then go to front layer. Yes. After this, it will be the intro for this sprite too. So there is intro for this 1, 2, 3, 4 sprite. There will be, I think, no intro. I think I forgot. And then forever, if touching mouse. So this is touching mouse. This I hover the mouse to this. It will be touch. Set size to 150. So set size to 50. So it will be like this. Look. Set size to 50. And if I don't hover, if the play button not touching the mouse pointer, set size to the original size, which is 130. Like this. Look. So it will be like an animation for when I hover the mouse to this sprite. And when this sprite click, yes, click is like when the sprite set size to 100. So it will be small, and because of this forever, and this forever set size to 130, when I click the 100, it becomes the normal size again. Then this start sound pop. So this sound pop like this. So it will be like a click button sound. Wait 0.2 seconds. So it will like a delay 0.2 seconds. It will become more smoother, not like instantly. And then broadcast play. Broadcast is like it will send message, play, and then hide, set slide to 0. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have to make a variable for slide. Make variable slide. I already just make slide like that. And then this is the code. Set slide to 0. Okay, let's move to the fifth. Right. This is just simple. When this green flag click, it will be not showed. And then when I receive Dewi, hide. When I receive Demas, hide. When I receive the message, Dewi, Demas, start, hide. But when I receive the play message, it will show. So when I click this, look, it will show. Play character move. And then let's go to move this. When this green flag click, it should be hide. When I receive the message start Dewi, it will be not showed. It will be hidden. And when I receive play, just show, because this is the character. When we will pick the character. When I receive play again, hide first, and then go to x minus 138 and y0. So 0 y0 is in the middle, and x this is minus, this is x, this will be minus, it will be go to the left, and not minus plus it will go to the right. So when it's go to x9 minus 138, it will go to the left. And then show set size to 0, like the intro. Set size to 0, and then set size to 0, and then repeat 5, and then change that by 17 because this is 85. It will be multiplied by 17 17 will, yes, repeated 5 times. So it will be like an intro for this also. And go to front layer, and then go to front layer. Yes, to be the front layer, and this is forever. So it will be not stopped. And then if touching mouse, like the play button, if touching mouse, then set size to 100 because this is 85. Just a small amount, just 100. And then if not touching mouse, set size to 85. If else, so like this. And then let's go move to the 7th sprite. This is almost the same like Dimas, but the difference is this: when I receive Dimas, hide this. When I receive Dewi, hide. And then this too. Oh, this is the same. Broadcast Dewi, not broadcast Dimas. Look at it. Broadcast the message Dimas, but in here, broadcast the message Dewi, and it sets light to 1. And then this is 75 because there is some error that make this big. So this is set size to 100, set size to 90, and else set size to 75. It's almost the same, but just change a little bit. And this too, when I play. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about this one. This is the same like the mouse, and it is when I receive play forever glide 1 second. This is the original position, and this is the original position 0 will be to up minus 20. Before is, yes, it will go down minus 20. It will go down 20 times, and then go up again 20 times. It's the same Dimas and let's go to the 8th sprite. This is when this flag, green flag is clicked, hide. When I receive play, hide. When I receive this message, play, start, just hide. And when I receive, when this click sets light, when the, I don't know, just whatever, just this code is going to be this sprite, or the backdrops, whatever you like, whatever you want, because this is not part of the sprite. I mean, like, this is part of the sprite, but it's not. When this is clicked, set light to 0, so it will go to 0 again. This, when I receive Dimas, this Dimas, the broadcast, the message Dimas, set size to 0. And go to this is the position, my position. If you want, just change it, but I prefer this position. And then show, go to front layer, so it will go to the front, and then repeat 10 times and change size by 6 because this is 6 is 50, so it will change by 5 times, and no, by 10 times. 5 change by repeated by 10 times. So it will go to the original position, but just from the 0. So it will be the intro for this sprite. And then forever, if touching mouse pointer, this is will like this pop up. Set size, this when this mouse is pop up like this, and then this too, this like this. 70, and then go, if else, go to the original size. And that's this. When this sprite click, set size to 40 like this, and then start and pop, and then change slide by -1 because it's back, not next. If next is change slide by 1. Okay, and then this is the same when I receive the mask, but only change the when I receive the message. For this is the message the mask, just duplicate it, and if you understand, if you don't understand, just repeat it again. And then when I receive Dewey, so the Dewey and Demon slide have this sprite, and this is the same like that, but the different one is just change size by 6. So the it will be repeated by 10. So it will be the original position. Oh no, fifth. I forgot. It's wrong. So the code is the same like the back one, but just the different one is this. When this sprite clicks, that's right. So it's the same, and change slide by 1, not -1 because it's next. This is for the home button. When I receive start, hide. Maybe this is the same, but go to X0 for it to be in the middle, and go to Y -88 because it had some errors that make the sprite not in the middle. So just -88, and then show, go to front layer, repeat 10 like 6. This I want 6. Repeat 10, 6, repeated by 10. So it will be the intro like this too. Like this sprite, and then forever. If touching mouse pointer, then set size to 80. So it will pop up like this. And if not touching mouse pointer, else set size to 60 to the original. So this. And then else set to the original. Okay, maybe that's just duplicate it and change it when I receive the message. From the must to Dewey. But if you don't understand it very well, just repeat and build the code from scratch again. Then let's move to the 11th sprite. The code is only a little bit because it's easy. When the green flag is clicked, hide. When I receive play, hide. When I receive start, hide. Whenever but you have to understand the concept of the broadcast. And when I receive, if you don't understand, maybe just learn it somewhere else. But maybe I just explain it here. Just a simple explanation. When broadcast is send message, and when I receive is the one that is taking the message. So when you take the message, this code will be activated. So when I receive this message, the mouse. Go to X0 and Y0, so it will be in the middle, and go to the back layer, so it will be the back layer, so the other spot will be the front layer. Switch costume to 11. This costume 11 Y. Wait. Switch costume to 10 because it will be the beginning of this costume of the sprite. This 10, and forever switch costume to slide. Switch costume to slide. So why we make this variable slide variable? So when this is clicked, it will be -1 and +1, right? So the number of the slide, like this show variable, will be affected by this. And then wait, not my variable. Wait, slide this. Wait a minute. This. This is. This is. This is not coming. Okay. This is the slide. So when this number is minus or just like less, like this, or the number of everything, you do this. You with this script this sprite and the costume will be affected by these slide numbers. So +1 maybe go to the right, go to 1, and -1 go to the left. Yes, right, like that. And this is like the same as Timas, but when I received Dewi, and the costume is different too. Okay, maybe that's all the explanation. Maybe let's review the game first. This is the ada berpakaian. This is the title and this is the play button. Let's check the demas. Oh yeah, I forgot. The home button will play start sound this song. Where is this song? Oh yeah, start sound high whoosh like this, like this. Okay, so look at this. Nutup aurat, tutuplah auratmu. There is a message. I made it on Canva, and this is the demos. Now let's go to the home and then play and then the way and then Nutup aurat and then maybe that's all from me. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.